Ditch the gym and get fit with AI. I'll show you how. With the right tools, you can build muscle at home and achieve your fitness goals without the need for expensive gym memberships or personal trainers. Welcome to this tutorial on how to build muscle at home using AI fitness plans. In this video, we'll explore the best AI tools available for creating customized workout plans and show you how to use them to achieve your fitness goals. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to use AI to create a workout plan that's tailored to your needs and helps you build muscle at home. The first step in building muscle at home with AI is to choose the right AI fitness tool. There are several options available, including Jeffit, Fitstar, and Aptiv. These tools use machine learning algorithms to create customized workout plans based on your fitness goals, fitness level, and available equipment. For example, Jeffit offers a vast exercise database and allows you to create and customize your own workout routines. Fitstar, on the other hand, provides personalized fitness plans based on your goals and preferences. Aptiv offers AI-powered coaching and personalized workout plans. When choosing an AI fitness tool, consider factors such as the type of exercises offered, the level of customization, and the cost. Some AI fitness tools offer free trials or basic plans, while others require a subscription or one-time payment. Once you've chosen an AI fitness tool, the next step is to set up your profile and create a workout plan. This typically involves answering a series of questions about your fitness goals, fitness level, and available equipment. For example, you may be asked about your current weight, height, and body fat percentage, as well as your desired outcomes, such as building muscle or increasing endurance. You may also be asked to specify the equipment you have available, such as dumbbells, resistance bands, or a pull-up bar. Based on this information, the AI algorithm will create a customized workout plan that's tailored to your needs and goals. This plan may include a combination of strength training exercises, cardio exercises, and flexibility exercises, as well as nutritional advice and recovery strategies. For instance, if you're looking to build muscle, the AI may recommend a workout plan that focuses on compound exercises such as squats, deadlifts, and bench press, as well as progressive overload to challenge your muscles and stimulate growth. One of the key benefits of using AI fitness tools is the ability to track your progress and receive feedback on your workouts. Many AI fitness tools offer features such as workout tracking, progress monitoring, and personalized feedback. For example, some tools may allow you to log your workouts and track your progress over time, while others may provide feedback on your form and technique. This feedback can be incredibly valuable, as it can help you identify areas for improvement and make adjustments to your workout plan. Additionally, some AI fitness tools may offer social sharing features, allowing you to share your progress with friends or a community of like-minded individuals. This can be a great motivator, as it allows you to connect with others who share your fitness goals and stay accountable. For instance, you may be able to join a community of people who are also using the AI fitness tool and share tips and advice on how to stay motivated and overcome challenges. In addition to creating customized workout plans, some AI fitness tools also offer nutritional advice and meal planning features. These features can be incredibly valuable, as they can help you optimize your diet and support your fitness goals. For example, some AI fitness tools may provide personalized nutrition recommendations based on your fitness goals, dietary preferences, and nutritional needs. Others may offer meal planning features, allowing you to plan and track your meals in advance. This can be especially helpful if you're trying to build muscle, as it can help you ensure that you're consuming enough protein and calories to support muscle growth. For instance, you may be able to use an AI-powered meal planning tool to create a customized meal plan that includes protein-rich foods such as chicken, fish, and eggs, as well as complex carbohydrates such as brown rice and sweet potatoes. Another benefit of using AI fitness tools is the ability to access a wide range of exercises and workouts. Many AI fitness tools offer vast exercise databases, allowing you to choose from a wide range of strength training, cardio, and flexibility exercises. For example, you may be able to access a database of over 1,000 exercises, each with detailed instructions and videos demonstrating proper form and technique. This can be incredibly valuable, as it can help you avoid plateaus and prevent overuse injuries. Additionally, some AI fitness tools may offer features such as exercise substitution, allowing you to swap out exercises that you don't like or that don't work for you. For instance, if you're trying to build muscle, you may be able to use an AI-powered exercise substitution feature to swap out an exercise that's not challenging enough for one that's more effective. When using AI fitness tools, it's also important to consider the importance of progressive overload. Progressive overload refers to the gradual increase in weight, resistance, or reps over time, and is essential for building muscle and increasing strength. Many AI fitness tools offer features such as automatic progressive overload, allowing you to gradually increase the intensity of your workouts over time. For example, you may be able to set a goal to increase your squat weight by 10 pounds per week, and the AI will automatically adjust your workout plan to reflect this goal. This can be incredibly valuable, as it can help you avoid plateaus and ensure that you're continuing to challenge yourself and make progress towards your fitness goals. Additionally, some AI fitness tools may offer features such as warm-up routines and cool-down stretches, which can help you prepare